Auberle, Learning Innovation Coordinator. Today I am here at our chicken coop and I'm going to, you can hear them, check on the chickens and feed them and hopefully collect some eggs. Okay, here we go. Gonna open the fence. There they are, squawking away. Pretty hungry. Here we have Hazel, Sadie, Aurora. Oh wait, that's Lenore. There's Sadie. Just walking around here in the mud. See if there's anybody laying eggs right now. Oh, and there's Whitney. Ooh, we got some fresh eggs today. Collect them here in my carton. Looks like these are Hazel's eggs. She lays the white ones. This one here is Hazel. She's a buff Polish is her breed. All of these chickens are different breeds. This Whitney is a Brahma. You can see she laid brown eggs, although I'm sure they're not all her eggs. Can I get some? Thank you. Can I get in there? Thank you. Are there more? One more. Ooh, so we got lots of eggs today. Doesn't look like we got any of our green eggs. Sometimes we get some nice, pretty greenish blue eggs from our Easter egger. That's her right there. Woo. They're super loud today. They must be hungry. So in a second here, I'll get out some food. Let's just check over here. Let's see. Oh, Rosemary's still in there. She's probably sitting on some eggs. So we'll check back over there in just a second. And I'm gonna go in here to where we keep their food. And there's all different kinds of seeds and grains in here. Corn, rye. And this is specifically made for laying hens. That means hens that lay eggs, as opposed to broiler hens, which some people raise for cooking specifically, but we're raising ours for their eggs and just for fun. So here is their food bin. Still have some left, but top it off here. Oh, and here they come. Coming over to munch, get some lunch. Now, each chicken generally lays about 1 egg per day, which can fluctuate a little bit, especially when it's cold out, so they don't lay as much, but they've been doing pretty well. Oh, here comes Rosemary. It's our blue cochin. Whitney again, coming out for some food. Put this back over here for them. So here's their coop. You'll see we have a little dust bath over there in the tire. And right now we have the water sitting on top of the heater. We put that there for the winter so it wouldn't freeze. So soon we'll be able to take that off. Here's their coop. So here's where they go to sleep at night. This is up at the main campus in Auberle, in McKeesport. We have a fenced-in area, so they have lots of room to roam around in here. A little pole for them to sit on if they want. And then here's where they sleep. They actually just sleep on these poles here, called roosting. And then there's the boxes they go to lay their eggs. Ooh, we have a bunch more. Let's check it out. Looks like we have a bunch more eggs here. I see, oh, it's broken, but we have one of the kind of light greenish eggs. Ooh, but that one broke open. We have some brown eggs, which the brown and the white I think taste the same. People tend to think the brown ones will taste better, but I think they both taste the same. I do notice that the eggs that we get fresh from our chickens definitely taste a lot better than the store-bought ones. So that's been really cool. And yeah, so here we are at the chicken coop. Maybe we'll give them some treats before I go. Their favorite treat is mealworms. Yum. So in here, let's see if we have any mealworms. Looks like they're out of luck today. No mealworms. Bummer. But they got plenty of food and not too cold out, so they're probably pretty happy. Bye, Lenore. Bye, Rosemary. Bye, Aurora. Bye, Hazel. Bye, Whitney. Bye, Sadie. Me. Ow! Ouch! Hi! I'm here again today to check on our chickens. See how they're doing. Ooh, someone dropped their sunglasses. Alright, we have some empty egg cartons here. Let's check to see if anyone has laid any eggs today. Ooh, nice. Looks like we got 5 eggs. Obviously they need to be cleaned before we eat them. Nothing better than super fresh eggs. Let's check this one. Oh, none over here. Hi, ladies. Hi. They have a lot to say today. Okay. And we will see if they need any food. And if so, we'll put some food in. Looks like we're almost out of food today. Ooh, time to order more. A little in there for them. Looks like they're running low, so let's put a little more. Alright. Bon appetit!